on the video.
I lost my towel. Oh! No, you're showing.
Oh. Good morning!
We're gonna do this video right now.
So Eliana got that as a gift. We're gonna head over to Valerie's house. She also got the same gift, and they're gonna do it together.
I got the same pajamas and the same shirt.
They have the same pajamas and the same shirt.
I got it for my Nanda's birthday.
I know, Grandpa gave that to you, huh?
Yeah, so
That's so cool. That's like his favorite toy right now. He's got a new kit. He's our new handyman in the house, so he fixes everything that needs to be fixed. That's so cool. That's nice. So today, Daddy is with Grandpa. They're spending...
watching the movie at the movie theaters.
They're watching a movie that's not for kids. It has like a lot of shooting and stuff, so I didn't want the kids to go over and watch the movie with them.
Yeah, because
It's the new John Wick movie. But meanwhile, they're over there. We're gonna head over to do this little thing with the girls. They're gonna do that, and we also have an update of our birdies, right, Jay? Are you excited to show them our new birds? Yeah, we have a new one. So we have more than just one. The one that you saw last time on the other video, it was the first bird that we got. We got 2 more birds. The second one was a friend to the first one. And then the third one, it was so beautiful. To me, it was beautiful. I had to get it. And I said, why not have 3 birds? So now they have a good group of friends, right? It's good to have more than just one friend. So you ready to show them? Let's go show them. Let's go. Okay, so Josh was gonna introduce you guys to his birdie, which is right here. So this one is the one that we got first. This one was a second friend, and then this one we just got yesterday. She's actually a female. So the 2 over here are boys, and then this one is a female. She's so beautiful. I thought that I had to have her with our new family, with our new birdie family. But as you guys can see, this cage is really small for them. Yeah, it's really little.
We need a big one, a huge one.
So what are we gonna do today, Jay, for the cage?
Build your house.
Yeah, so Daddy's not here right now, but when he comes back, we're actually gonna build a bigger cage in this area.
They were talking.
Yeah, I can hear them. They're tweeting. Now that they have friends, they're starting to tweet a lot more. When my husband comes back, we're gonna head to Home Depot and try to customize our own cage in this area.
I need a house for them.
You need a new house for them?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to build them a new home from this point all the way to the wall. Hopefully make it about this high to this high so they can have more space.
No, like flat.
Yeah, we're gonna make it flat.
Guys, look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Oh yeah, thank you for showing them. Look, so this was the birdie house that we did yesterday with Eliana. We customized our own little birdie house. So once their cage is ready,
Let me fish them.
oh, there you go. See, this is the handyman. He's always wanting to build new stuff. So he's always fixing everything. Thank you, Jay. There you go. So let's head over to Valerie's house, okay?
Yep.
Okay, so we made it here to Valerie's house. They're playing with their toys. They're trying to get it to go. Trying to get it to work.
Yep, but not working,
And
guys.
Ellie's is having a difficult time getting it together. She's trying to do her, I think they're called unis.
Yeah, uni.
And so far, Valerie built one. She made one right here. So cool.
Right?
Did it pop inside?
Yep.
Oh no. Let's try another one, okay?
Okay.
Oh,
shoot. Is it okay? Guys?
Toys are not as easy as they used to be.
Yeah, because
Oh, there it goes.
it's going.
Yay.
Yay.
Good job.
And then
Okay, let's
I'm
get
gonna
it
give
together.
some.
All right, we are back home. We just came back from spending a little time with Valerie and Gramita and Grampita. And now we're just waiting for Daddy. He's still at the movies, right? Hey, Eliana. Daddy just called me. He says we're gonna go to Home Depot, so we need you guys to put on your shoes, okay? Let's get going. What? You'd rather watch that? Then go make a cage for our birds? You're gonna help Daddy build with all your new tools. You're gonna be Daddy's handyman, okay? Can you guys hear the birds all the way over there? All the way over there. They're starting to get more friendly. Hey, you! Put on your shoes. Let's go. Daddy's calling us.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we will see you at Home Depot. So we're here. We actually came to Lowe's. Daddy wanted to come to Lowe's before we go check out Home Depot. Ellie fell asleep on the ride. They both always seem to fall asleep on the ride. And Jay's walking with Daddy. So we're gonna go get our supplies and see what we can find. Here, checking all the varieties of different woods for our birdie cage. You want to make them a really nice home, huh, Jay? You're gonna customize it. You're gonna help Daddy.
I'm looking.
You're just looking. After a while, Ellie knocked out. Jay also knocked out. He's knocked out of sleep. Poor baby. We are done purchasing everything that we needed. These two took a nap. This one's awake. Dad's at the back loading up everything. We're gonna head over to my in-laws' house and then start building a birdie cage. He is all pooped out. You look so tired. He needed a really good nap. This is so funny. I'm in my husband's truck and I find SP, my old initials, and my charger in here. Always blaming me for stealing his chargers, but yet I find my charger in his truck. Super guilty. What do you have to say about that?
Nothing.
Let's go. Arrived at Grandpa's house. Ellie's gonna be the first one to go ring the doorbell. We got all of our stuff back here.
Don't look at me. I like it.
Grandpa's gonna help us build the bird cage, right?
No.
No? You gonna do it all by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. We just arrived. Hi, Leo.
Hi.
Hi, everybody.
Hello, hello, hi.
We came to the experts.
¡Me gusta tu camisa!
Hello, hi.
Venimos a los expertos
Yo
porque
quiero una de esas.
necesitan ayuda.
Sí, es muy necesaria.
Right there. Push the button. Do it again. You can do the other one, Nana. Do it again. Okay, come on. You can do this one over
Good
here, Nana.
job.
Come here, Nana.
Good.
Move, Jay.
I look like a mini bird.
Come here,
You
Nana.
fit inside the birdhouse.
Push the button, Nana. Push it.
Good job.
Oh yeah, Nana.
High five, Mama. Girls can work too, huh? Oh yeah, make sure you get the measurements right, okay? You got it? High five.
Push right here. Over here. Push it.
All right.
Yay!
Bravo!
You finished it!
Bravo!
Good job! Took all day long to do it. The sun's not even shining that much anymore.
¿Qué hiciste? He broke it.
He broke it!
He broke it. Hey, Nana, look.
Daddy, you're downstairs.
Oh man.
And Grandma, thumbs up.
Grandpa's thumbs up.
Yep.
What is Daddy gonna do?
Sorry, Daddy. Get to
Alright.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. Ellie, end the video. We did the cage. Say bye.
Bye.